Welcome everyone, and thank you for tuning in to hear my trading and market updates. This is Uncle Frank, and I'm not a financial advisor, nor is any of the content to be construed as financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. Please remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the presentation, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're alerted when I have new information to share. So now let's get into the latest updates. Hey, welcome back everyone. Wow, do we have a lot to cover. Those of you following Mullen Automotive probably remember back on July 6th, the company retained a law firm to investigate and combat naked short selling. From the article in News Media Wire, based on reports from Share Intel, Mullen believes it may have been the target of a market manipulation scheme involving illegal naked short selling of its common stock, and has decided to investigate and expose any potential wrongdoing. Apparently, some shorts didn't like it because the stock ran from prices in the 9 to 10 cent range just days before to prices in excess of 32 cents. And then our very own Highcroft Mining followed suit and also hired Share Intel, and it's been nothing but green candles ever since, closing at 47 cents today, up 14.38%. The reason these firms are hiring Share Intel and spending money on lawyers is because Gary Gensler, the SEC, and other regulators will do nothing to stop the targeted illegal short selling of their stocks. These companies are taking it to civil court, so they're gathering evidence. Now, I don't want any of you Adam Aaron fanboys or yes voters to worry. There is absolutely zero chance that Adam or Philip later are going to be hiring Share Intel anytime soon. Adam Aaron doesn't even believe synthetic shares exist. Okay, this is after 2 years of watching a trillion FTDs click by. A direct quote, candidly, I've seen no evidence so-called fake or synthetic shares exist, right? The CEO says, guys, don't believe everything you read on Twitter. Yes, it's true that we have a lot of short sellers who have sold our shares short. But all that stuff you read about market manipulation and fails to deliver and all this other stuff, there's billions of synthetic shares out there. That's not our problem. But who are our short sellers? We're in business with them. Antara Capital, Citi. Citi is our investment banker. They underwrote the ape. When was that tweet from? August 4th? Do you know what the closing price of AMC was on August 8th? 23.96. So 20 bucks down later, you guys still don't see it, huh? Well, obviously the big thing we're all waiting for now is the decision from the Delaware court. In my opinion, the longer it takes, the better, because there are 3 things I hope the court will address. Was the creation of APE legal? Is it legal to vote on diluting the common shares by voting the preferred shares without a separate vote for the common? And is there any evidence the vote was rigged? The other things I'm hoping for while we're waiting is new developments in the Antara case in the Southern District of New York, and a surprise at the box office by the new Mission Impossible movie this weekend. And on that topic, from Forbes, Mission Impossible 7 on track to set franchise box office record despite floundering year for other films. They can't just give us a compliment, can they? And let's file this headline under the last friggin' thing we need right now. From Yahoo Finance, Hollywood actors to join writers in double whammy strike for the first time since 1960. What can I tell you guys? AMC finished today at $4.44, up 0.91%. The ape was flat at $1.97, bringing the combined price of AMC and ape to $6.41, up 0.63% on 28.3 million shares traded. Now, at the time of this recording, I see 450,000 shares available of AMC to borrow at a rate of 975%. I hope you choke on it, shorts. And yes, as of yesterday, AMC remains on the New York Stock Exchange list of threshold securities. Speaking only for myself, this would be the last stock I would want to be short going into a court decision like this. But the big news for Uncle Frank today was the Ripple SEC decision. You guys know I'm a giant XRP fan. I've been accumulating it for a long time. Last night I made a video because the volume, I believe the smart money knew what was coming, and the volume was huge last night, right up there under Bitcoin and Ethereum. But here's the headline from Reuters. Ripple Labs notches landmark win in SEC case over XRP cryptocurrency. And from the article, Ripple Labs did not violate securities law by selling its XRP token on public exchanges, a U.S. judge ruled on Thursday. A landmark legal victory for the cryptocurrency industry that sent the value of XRP soaring. XRP was up 75% by late afternoon on Thursday, according to data. The ruling by the U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres was the first win for a cryptocurrency company in a case brought by the U.S. SEC, though it did also give the SEC a partial victory. While the decision is specific to the facts of the case, it will likely provide ammunition for other crypto firms battling the SEC over whether their products fall under the regulator's jurisdiction, which in my opinion, it does not. The SEC spokesperson said the agency was pleased with part of the ruling in which the judge held that Ripple violated federal securities law by selling XRP directly to sophisticated investors. It is possible for the ruling to be appealed once the final judgment is issued, or if the judge allows it before then. The SEC spokesperson said the regulator was reviewing the decision. Ripple chief executive Brad Garlinghouse, in an interview, called the ruling a huge win for Ripple, but more importantly for the industry overall in the U.S. Coinbase, the largest U.S. crypto exchange, said it would again allow trading of XRP on its platform. Quote, "We read Judge Torres's thoughtful decision. We've carefully reviewed our analysis. It's time to relist." Coinbase Chief Legal Officer Paul Grewal said on Twitter. Can't be happier. And there it is, guys, the headline I've been waiting nearly 1,000 days for from CoinDesk. Coinbase, other crypto exchanges embrace XRP after court ruling. U.S. Federal Court ruled on Thursday that the sale of XRP tokens on exchanges and through algorithms did not constitute investment contracts. Hey, I want to thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button after this slide if you enjoyed the presentation. Subscribe to the channel and set the alert so you're notified when I have new information to share. See you at the bell.